These are the visuals of a Shiva temple in the Dharmari area of Riyasi district. A temple that was vandalized last evening, triggering immediate outrage from the local community. Initial probe suggests that an unidentified person entered the temple and attempted to vandalize it. Riyasi ASP Iftikhar briefed on the incident.
कल शाम करीबन 7:30 बजे का वाक़या है। धर्माड़ी अरनास का एक इलाका है। यहाँ पे एक टेंपल में एक ऐसा इंसिडेंट यहाँ पे रिपोर्टेड हुआ है और जिसमें किसी अननोन व्यक्ति ने मंदिर में घुस के एक कायराना हरकत की है, मंदिर को वैंडलाइज करने की कोशिश की। उसमें इमीडिएटली पुलिस को सूचना मिली और थाना पुलिस अरनास ने उसमें FIR नंबर 55 अंडर रेलिवेंट सेक्शन ऑफ लॉ रजिस्टर किया। पुलिस उसके साथ ही कार्रवाई में हरकत में आई और अराउंड 3 सस्पेक्ट्स हमने अभी तक राउंड अप किए हैं। इसमें हमारी ये कोशिश है कि जल्द से जल्द हम कल्प्रिट तक पहुंच पाएँ।
A DSP team-led SIT is to investigate the matter and track the culprits. 12 have already been detained to quiz. As news of the vandalism spread, an unstoppable uproar echoed through the streets of Riyasi. Communities united, condemning the shameful incident.
बड़ी दुख की बात है। हमने 30 साल से मिलिटेंसी का मार झेली है, उस दौरान पे ऐसी कोई हरकत नहीं हुई और बड़ा अफसोसनाक वाक़या है। हम जे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से भी यही गुजारिश करते हैं, इसकी छानबीन हो, जो कल्प्रिट है, जो गुनाहगार है, उसको पकड़ा जाए और कानून के दायरे के अंदर है कि उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। ये इसमें जात पात का कोई मसला नहीं है, जो भी हो, किसी भी मज़हब से कोई ताल्लुक़ रखता है, अगर उसने कोई गलती की है तो उसको सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए।
जो भी वाक़या यहाँ पे दरपेश आया उसकी मैं कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करता हूँ और हमारी यही डिमांड है कि वो चाहे किसी भी रिलीजन से हो, किसी भी कम्युनिटी से हो, किसी भी कास्ट से हो, उसको कानून के अंतर्गत सख्त से सख्त सज़ा दी जाए। ये हमारे हिंदू मुस्लिम भाईचारे को ख़राब करने की कोशिश की जा रही है और कुछ भी नहीं। इसके लिए हम कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि हमारा जो यहाँ पे भाईचारा है, हमारे बुज़ुर्गों से लेकर सबके साथ आपस में अच्छा मेलजोल है। ये हमारे समाज को ये दिमक का काम कर रहा है। जिस भी शख्स ने ये काम किया है, हमारे हिंदू मुस्लिम भाईचारे को ख़राब करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। बस इतना ही है।
Local BJP leader Ajay Nanda has taken note of the matter. How and when will the culprits be brought to the forefront remains to be seen.
And let's quickly go across to Arawat as well. Arawat, this is a clear attempt to disrupt peace and harmony in the region. We understand that 12 miscreants have been detained as well, but anything known so far as to what probably was the motive behind such an act?
Samiksha, absolutely. This is a part of the indication. What was the point of to do such things in the Riyasi? We have earlier seen attacks on non-Muslims and others in the Rajouri and Riyasi districts, but this time we have seen vandalism of the Mandir temple in the same area, and we have yesterday seen that the money protests took place by the Muslim community and the Hindu community who demand justice at the earliest, and they want to punish the culprit whosoever is behind this all. In fact, we have seen yesterday an official has also told Republic that the 13 people have been detained for the questioning purpose related to this, and a special team SIT has been also made to investigate the whole matter, why and who did this unfortunate incident in the Riyasi district. In fact, we have seen police and other security agencies are also trying to access the details from the nearby CCTVs and other sources to verify this. At the earliest, so far, 12 people have been detained for this investigation, and many others have been detained for the questioning related to the same and who was involved and what was the mission and aim to do such things here. Yes, Samiksha, back to you.
Yes, Arawat, just a quick follow-up question. We understand that there were protests also which happened because there is clearly a lot of anger among the Hindus also over this incident. How is the situation now? And also talk to us about the law and order situation specifically. Has the security been heightened in the region?
Absolutely, we have seen yesterday that the money protests took place. After that, security has been beefed up for the precautionary measures, that there should be not any law and order situation. For that, security has been beefed up in the area. But overall, if we'll talk about the situation, which remains normal as of now, but yesterday we have seen there was anger among the people, not only in the Hindu community, but also in the Muslim community, who appealed the administration for the justice at the earliest. Yeah, Saviksha.
All right, Arawat, thank you for the moments on SIT that's also been formed. 13 perpetrators have been identified. Arawat, thank you for the moment.